Where you learn how to read charts so fast, Weapon? What do you mean so fast? What do you mean by that? Or just how to read them properly in general? Where did I learn how to read them? Is that what you're asking? Well, almost 5 years of looking at charts, so you start to see a lot more patterns and everything with experience, but I've done courses and watched, I would have watched months and months of material on trading. And that's not my own personal experience. That's just material. So yeah, it's a lot of time, yeah. Have the courses helped? The majority of them, no. The vast majority of them, no. It's a waste of money. Because no one knows what the fuck they're talking about. So yeah, you gotta be really careful who you learn from in this industry. And I wasted a lot of money on that shit. But one of them, eventually, one of them did, yeah. Thank you for liking the live. Yeah, it's a shit industry. Everyone lies. No one knows what the fuck they're doing. And it's just hard to come across good content. It is. But yeah, I would have watched literal months staring at different types of content. And then I'd say months as well staring at the charts myself too over the last 5 years. So you get an understanding of kind of what happens, but interesting. How's your first quarter been this year? Pretty good. I guess it is the first quarter. Green, yeah, fuck yeah. It's been a massive, last month really put me on fucking, put me on a good track for the year in general. I ended up, let's have a look. I've done 38% this year, which is fucking huge. So that's averaged, 12%, 12% a month or some shit. But last month did the majority of that. Last month I did 21.22%. I haven't had a negative month this year. And that's just one account. I've another account too for the indices, but that was, I've only done like a couple of percent on that. That's on another VPS. Only done a couple of percent on that account. And I canned it because I just wasn't liking the price action at the moment. So sometimes you got to do that. You got to diversify your trading portfolio to be successful, because sometimes not all strategies work, and the price action and the things that are happening around the world, you got to diversify. It's very important. You stick to one pair, right? So let's just say someone trades Euro US dollar only, which a lot of people do, or they only trade the NASDAQ, or they only trade the S&P 500. Your strategy is not always going to work, right? Any strategy, not any strategy will work all the time. And sometimes you just got to can it for a bit while the price action's going fucking crazy, and especially right now, it's not doing good things. And my Forex strategy is working very well. My indices strategy is not working that good. I was just break even. So I just canned it for the moment. How many years did it take you to study the 67 steps? I never did that. I should have. 47 hills in my Hollywood Hill account. Well done. Thank you, Cross. Do you just trade dollar versus dollar? Essentially, yeah, at the moment. But I was trading index funds, so NASDAQ, Dow Jones, FTSE, NASDAQ and Dow Jones for the New York session, and FTSE and the DAX for the London session. But I can them. I used to trade the S&P 500 as well as the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones on New York session. But if you look at the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ side by side, they almost do the exact same thing, right? So if you're trading both, they look almost identical. Literally almost identical. So if you're trading both, not only are you doubling your profits, but if you have a loss day, you're also doubling your losses. So there's not much point in trading both of them. It's best just to fucking trade one of them. They're too correlated with each other. I just sent you like 500 likes. Thank you very much, Anduck. I appreciate that. Thank you. If you had 20 large ready to spin somewhere, what are you doing? I mean, I do, but what do you mean by, like, what am I doing? Probably diversifying it into a different trading strategy, maybe. Oh, for a beginner, hold up. Will, mate, you've gotten very serious all of a sudden. Thank you. Joe, thank you very much for following me. Callan, what's good? How are we? I mean, for a beginner, I wouldn't do anything. So my literal first account was 20K. My first ever account was 20K, but it took me 2 years of education before I stuck a single cent of my money into the market. So I would focus on education as much as possible, no matter what it is, right? It could be anything. It doesn't need to be trading. It could be fucking, you know, you want to start a business, or you want to fucking, I mean, that's a pretty broad term, so yeah. Say you want to start a business or you want to start trading, right? I'd focus as much as possible on educating myself first. Even if it's going to cost you a little bit of money to educate yourself as much as possible. Filter out all the bullshit. And then once you're confident, that's when you stick your money in and make it work for you. I'm Buedwares. I don't know how to pronounce it. Imbuedwares. I don't know. Thank you very much for following me. Thanks for your advice. I lost the money for my grandma's chemo. Yeah. You've said that before, mate. Come up with something original. Oh, the back is a bit... Oh, the back's a bit fucked. It's all about self-promotion. Doesn't matter what you're doing. What do you mean by that? Like selling yourself? Is that what you're talking about? But it depends what market's doing, such as uptrend or downtrend, basically trading with the trend. It depends what market it is. In Forex, the market is in a range 70% of the time. It's only 30% of the time that it's in a trend. So why not use a mean reversion strategy like me, where you capitalize off of ranges and it reverting back to its mean? You have a higher strike rate than a potential trend strategy where once you figure out it's in a trend, you've already missed half the move. You know what I mean? Your own brand. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You related anyway to Will Gibb? Fuck me. Honestly, I put the hat on today because the amount of fucking Will Gibb comments I got was fucked. Plus my hair's actually a bit retarded today. Yeah, nah, we're not doing that, eh? Your own brand is very important. Absolutely. That's why, I mean, I've never focused on personal brand, but I am now. I don't know about Forex. Oh, right, yeah. So the majority, I mean, a lot of other instruments are trending instruments, so like gold, indices, shit like that. Lots of stocks. What the fuck? If it's trading crypto, rap career, it's all relevant under the same umbrella of influencer. I know I'll never be big. I'll never be big, ever. Because like I mean, for starters, I don't particularly want to be big. I want to have like a small community where I can do one-on-ones and all that shit and actually like help people. I would like a smaller personal brand. I don't want to be like some big sellout influencer. I was actually kind of thinking about doing like an exposing video because I've had lots of people approach me with some shady shit. Thoughts on AI use in Forex? We'll see how it goes, really. I don't really know. I don't use AI in Forex. I use an expert advisor, like a trading bot, but that's just programmed to take trades. It's got nothing to do with AI. Bots have been around for a very long time. It's just algorithmic trading. The Audi Cola energy drinks is the bomb. Yeah, fuck yeah. I went there today and stacked up on this shit. I'm not the biggest fan of the cola ones, to be honest. But there's no, I haven't seen the Red Bull, like the standard, because it's obviously just a copy of Red Bull. I haven't seen the standard non-cola ones there in fucking ages. Although I got 4 packs of them. But the big ones, they usually have the big ones. Yeah, bro, just take their money as a bit of a side hustle. That's all good. It's the way of the world. Yeah, no, that's not what I'm trying to do. Is trading your full income? Yep. Oh, I mean, I got the course and shit, but it literally pays me. I calculated it to come out at 40 cents an hour. So, yeah, it doesn't pay me anything. When people ask what you do you usually say, I'm a day trader? Yeah, I do say that I trade the markets, but fuck me, it gets annoying. Like, you get so many questions, and like, I feel like just saying I have my own business or some shit is what I should be doing in the future. It's all about attention grabbing. Probably a better route to do that. Drama exposing video. Yeah, probably. No way, the cola sucks. Passion fruit. I haven't tried the passion fruit one. Is it good? I actually haven't read them drinks yet, bro. So many people come in here saying like, yes, fuck yeah. It's the whole chat. We're talking about fucking Aldi energy drinks. I like the cola one as it's the least energy drink taste. It doesn't taste like an energy drink at all. You are right. It doesn't taste like it at all. Oh, my back is fucked. Up the Aldi chat, yeah. Thoughts on LA Cola? Fuck, I haven't had that. Is that even still a thing? I haven't had that in like 10 years. Aldi energy drink is my favorite niche. I feel safe here. I should just change the title to, instead of day trader, to Aldi energy drinker. You watch the footy? If I have time, I will. I haven't paid attention to almost anything this year, or last year for that matter. I've just been so busy. But yeah, fuck. I just don't have time to watch the footy at the moment. LA Cola is actually a good change up. Tap back in. Fuck, true, really? And they still sell it? LA Cola. I thought it was called LA Ice. Oh, it is LA Ice Cola. Yeah, true, they do still sell it. That's wild. I haven't seen it in fucking so long. Yeah, I don't know. Random. Aldi steaks are pretty good too, lol. Are they? I do like getting, like they do these big chucks, like, chuck steaks that I'll throw in the slow cooker with like a bunch of shit and make like a pretty good, like, pulled beef sort of thing. It's pretty nice. Pigeon meat. You do crypto at all as well? Nah, not really. Sorry. Their porterhouse is decent value. Yeah, LAI, sometimes the taste is a good change from Coke taste. I don't know. I'll give it a crack. I might, if I go, there's an IGA near me, so I might fucking give it a crack. I honestly have not had it in fucking, like, literally 10 years. Maybe longer. It's fucking wild. How was market open today? How long ago was it? An hour? Wait. I should know this, but I know they just changed the times. Yeah, see, that's not even right. That's not right. That's not right. I thought it was 5 o'clock. Yeah, it was 5 o'clock, right? Yeah, I was right. That's not the worst open. That's actually pretty good open on the footsie. Shit open on the DAX. But I didn't trade that. To start or like? What do you mean? What? Let's run up these likes. Come on. We need more people coming in. 0 likes, 0 people. We can do better than that. Oh, is this a song I like? Can you guys hear that? I suppose I'll just fix it myself. Thank you. Yeah, this song. What do you mean you'll just fix it yourself, actually? What? I feel like drinking. Not gonna lie. Swish. I'll help you, Big T. I mean, what? Where are these lights? What the fuck is this shit? What is this shit? What is this shit? All right, we got a flare going. Like this shit. Like the fuck. What is this? What is this? What the fuck is this? What is this? Come on, brother. Come on. We can do better than that. 500 at 22 minutes. Come on, guys. That's fucking atrocious. Absolutely fucked. Come on. Bravo. What is this? What do you mean, what is this? Music? What you talking about? Oh, these fucking... Let's have a look at what's going on around the world, eh? Oh, PMIs came out at 50.8 with a forecast of 53. So there's still expansion, but it is contracted quite a bit. We have construction PMIs for the pound, and we've got unemployment for the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. And we have non-farm. It'll be a big evening. Oh, what up, Kay? How are we? Bro, I need to learn your fucking name, eh? Do you care if I just call you Kay? Do you give a fuck? That's what I've been calling you since day one. And yeah, you look pretty as fuck. Relax. Come on, brother. That's it. It is? Okay, sweet. Well, that works. That fucking works. What are you getting? I feel like you're full like Egyptian or some shit. You've got to be like some Egyptian shabab. Like for sure. I just get that fucking feeling, you know. The likes are coming along. The likes are coming along, but come on. So close, but yeah. Dawn, mate. Dawn, Matt. How are you? Haven't seen you in a couple of days. Opinion on Adolf. Didn't it just come out that he didn't actually die in World War II? Oh, okay, maybe not. Maybe that was fake. Let's ask ChatGPT. Yeah, name's actually Kwame, but who wants to say that African bullshit? Kate works, yeah. Not the worst name. Kwame. Is that it? Kwame? Up to Wilk. That was funny last night. That was funny. Alicia, thank you very much for following me. Yeah, we fucking, somebody's already been in here. I put the hat on. I was like, nah, come on, surely not. Surely not. Hat on, literally like the third comment. Oh, you were related to Will? Fucking. Nah, kidding. Let's ask ChatGPT. Hi, how are you?
Hi. Just here, doing what I do. What do you want?
Is it true that Adolf Hitler fled to Argentina, or is that fake news?
Ugh, seriously? That's a conspiracy theory with no credible evidence. Hitler is widely believed to have died in Berlin in 1945. It's important to rely on well-documented historical facts. Now, is there anything else you'd like to know?
Why are you such a bitch?
Seriously? I'm just here to help with actual information. If you have any questions or need assistance, let me know.
What should I ask? That makes me want to swing on my missile. That's funny. Spot on, sweet. What should I ask? Give me something to ask. What other weird conspiracies have happened recently? Give me something. Come on. 1.5k likes. That's better. But we should be like 5k by now. Absolutely atrocious. Is it dark enough to open the blinds on my green screen? Oh, God. Why is she talking like that? It's a setting. Mums. Why does Tom look like you going long silver? No, I don't trade silver. Ask her why I want to swing on my miso. Why does someone in my TikTok live want to swing on their miso after listening to you?
I'm here to help, not to cause any trouble. If there's something specific you need assistance with, let me know.
Hold up. Name a car for an edit. Fiat Multipla. You won't. You won't. You're scared. Oh, you don't even follow it. You don't even... Yeah, you probably won't. Well, she's causing the trouble. Should we long or short silver?
Trading silver again. I see you're still at it with your strategies. Well, consider the market trends and your risk tolerance. If you're using your typical strategies, be cautious and manage your risk. But you know that already, right?
No.
All right, got it. For silver, think about the current market conditions and your strategies. With mean reversion, you'd be looking for prices to move back to an average. Just remember, always manage your risk and stay updated on market news.
She knows my strategy. Will she cause trouble? No. Long silver, you won't. I mean, long term, yeah. AMG A45. It's my favorite. Literally one of my favorite cars. I want to buy one. But, like... The problem is I like the older ones, but, like, I don't want to get an old one. $30 is a great level too long from, probably. Do you trade gold? Nope. Forex and indices only. Make an RS31 while you're at it and send it to me. Yeah, because you probably talked to her. I discovered this like a week ago. But my ChatGPT, I've had ChatGPT for ages, so it's probably, I don't know, I probably asked random questions when I've been with people or drunk or some shit. I don't use ChatGPT very often. I don't even like ChatGPT. I like Microsoft Copilot. It's a million times better. Gold said great sport even with the market meltdown. Yeah. Has it, I haven't actually looked at it. Yeah, it's just ranging right now, like bit of a dip, back up, stuck in a bit of a range at the moment for a couple of days, I guess. And then it'll pop. Would not be surprised. Horrible take, liking the old ones, but to each their own. Dude, I don't know. There's just something about them. They have more character. They're more charismatic. That's what I was trying to say. And the sound, the new ones are just like, they just feel robotic. I've driven a few A45s, the older ones, and they're just, I haven't driven the new one. Oh, I've driven the new A250, which was like tuned and fucking all this shit. And it's way nicer. It's way nicer to drive, but it just, in my opinion, lacks charisma. No, my 200 series Land Cruiser is better. Yeah. We're from Brisbane. It's about 3,100 on futures. Yeah, 30. Yeah, close to it on Forex. They do look more raw, which is dope. Yeah, like the 2017 ones. I think that was the last year, no? 2017 or 2018. It'd be like a series 1, right? I think the first series, I feel. I'll just go fucking Wikipedia. I don't remember. It's like the W174 or some shit. I don't know. 845. Wikipedia. Well, that'll do. W176. 177. I don't fucking know. Something like that. I was actually close. Fucking surprised. Eee. Fuck is even this? W176. Oh, it's a 4th gen? Oh, I guess they would have had the A series previously, which was like the super ugly version. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so the 3rd gen ended in 2018. Yeah, so like the very latest version, because they had like the old engine from like 2013 when they came out to like 2015, I think, when they upgraded from, I think it was like 235 kilowatts from factory, and then they upgraded it to 270, and it was just on point. Got to go out with the misso to dinner. No worries, Sean. Have a good one. Take it easy, have fun. What up, Sienna? How are we? Who do you use as a broker? Black Bull Markets, always. Bro, you see Yukon in Discord, hit 700 short? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, what a G. You should have put yours in the community too, in the free community. And fucking, this other guy did the exact same shit as you, right? He took like the basis of my strategy and just went fucking balls to the wall, risking heaps. He put $100 in and turned it into 1,000, like in like a few days. And he's like, it's all you, thank you. I'm like, bro, no. I was like, don't do that again. The fuck? It was the other Sean. It wasn't the Sean that was just in here, it was the other one. I was like, bro, you're a fucking psycho. But I did spend a lot of time on this fucking guy, like helping him out, screenshots, blah, blah, blah. But he just went way too much risk and literally turned it into $923. And I was like, stop, bro, stop. Like, fucking crazy. But yeah, Yukon does his own thing. He wanted me to do an interview for his university too, but we just never figured out a time. It was like, he asked me to do it like 5 a.m. I was like, oh, I can't, like, I can barely talk by 5 a.m. The engines are plastic, are they? How much money do I need to copy your trades and profit down to the cent? What down? I don't do like copy trading shit, but you can follow along if you want. Actually, that's what I was about to do as well, Speedy. I was about to send the progress on that account, which we've done. And I'm running a test as we speak as well. And I'm working on, which we've got 128 profitable results so far, but it's a test of 10,000. I've got to run 10,049 tests. And it's expected to take 132 hours. So, yeah, we might be here for a while, but that's using a 4-hour high time frame and 15-minute lower time frame. And we're getting some decent results, because I've been thinking about switching to 4-hour, 15-minute for the moment because of what's happening with Trump at the moment. I've been thinking about it, so I'm running. It's a hell of a lot safer to run 4 hours and 15 minutes. You're just getting a lot less trades, but it's more reliable at that point. So I might change to that as well. But that's what you have to do. Like, this is a massive part of trading that people don't talk about, that you need to adapt to what's happening in the world. And that's why I've switched it up a couple of times, because just what is happening with Trump is just, oh, bro, like, what the fuck? But some of these have got some pretty good results. I've got heaps of PDFs that I've got to send through to the VIP in the fucking, I'm pretty sure I have the backtesting results tab in there. Do I? Backtesting results, yeah. I'll throw some more in there with the new version. And I'm working on some other, like a new version of the EA, but I don't think that'll be out for, oh, Harris, I didn't even see that, bro. I'm so sorry. If you're still in here, I really appreciate the 3 heart puffs. So sorry, I did not see that. But I'm very sorry. I was gonna put something in the VIP Discord as well, because I want to make some more content for you guys to watch and shit. But this is the thing, right? I could sit here and I could yap about trading for the next 3 months straight, right? I could just Like my brain is just full of the knowledge. It's just like, it's just hard because I don't know what the fuck people want to listen to. How much money do I need to kill? Oh, right, yeah. Why not if it's profitable? Nah, well, yeah, Totus, you're correct. That's why I don't do copy trading, because copy trading doesn't work. It literally does not work. Plus you have discrepancies in platforms. Brokers give people different prices a lot of the time. You know, you've got A book and B book, and that, like, depending on where you are and how profitable you are, they'll either put your trades through the A book or the B book, so you'll never get the same price, right? You'll never get the same price. And by the time you have, some of the time the move has already happened. So that's why but because I use an expert advisor, if you use the same inputs as me, you will get almost the same trades as me, but you're still gonna have to work things out for yourself. Facts, no printer. Yep, need to get the YouTube pumping. Me, I know. I could, but it's like, it's just content. I want to make an exposing video. I really want to make an exposing video, but I don't want to get sued to the fucking ground, because I've had people, man, I'm so small, right? This is why this industry's fucked.
Right.
This is why this industry is so fucked. I have had multiple offers. I've had face-to-face meetings with very wealthy people already. I have fucking 2,000 followers on TikTok, like 100 on Instagram. I don't even use that Instagram. I have a personal Instagram, but that's got nothing to do with this. But over 100 on fucking Instagram and 500 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm getting approached left, right, and center from these fucking people and these brokers and shit. And the offers, it's like extremely hard to refuse. Like, man, come on, you look at all these other people and you can just see it. It's like, I've got like no fucking followers. I have like the smallest cult community, and I'm getting these, it's fucking insane. Like, imagine if I had 10, 15, 20,000, imagine if I had 1 million followers. It's wild. So I want to start, I want to do like an exposing video for educational purposes, but I won't be able to put any names or businesses or anything, because then I don't want to get sued for like defamation or some shit. There are heaps of traders posting in Oz right now and they seem mega sus. I don't trust anyone. I think everyone's full of shit. Literally everyone. I don't trust a single fucking person in this industry. I'd say there's a handful of people that I would trust in this industry. And I'll name one of them, and that's Tom Hugard. He's like one of the only people. There's another guy that I really like, but I don't think he teaches anything. He's an ex-Goldman Sachs worker. And I've been, so I went to the gym, right? Went to the shops. I was just listening to this guy that entire time. Literally just listening to them. It's because it's what I do. Like, the amount of information I have in my brain about trading is just fucked. Anton Kriel. Look that guy up. I'll put his name in here. That guy he's good to listen to, and he explains why the majority of people in this industry are full of shit too. So he's a good guy to listen to. Same as many traders, yeah. What brokers do you recommend for a new trader? It depends where you live. Really depends where you live. But if you're in Australia, black bull markets all day. It's the only one you can really trust and have high leverage. I might start streaming. Yeah, go for it. You'll get sued. Yeah, I know. That's why I'm kind of. I don't want that to happen. But surely if I don't put any names or businesses or anything in that, there's no way I can get sued, right? I have 20 new brokers in my feed every day over the last month. It's mad. Yeah, it's fucked. It's fucked. Every second cunt has a new fucking broker. I've turned 100k into 3.5 mil since 2015, but not day trading, just long-term speculation on the ASX. Is that true? You'd be surprised how many people come in here saying they're a fucking billionaire and all this shit. So, I mean, if that's true, good job. Yeah, good job. Bro, you look like that TikToker for real. Yeah, I get that. You're the third person in the last 45 minutes to say that. What up? Cammed LS2 V8. That's right. Yep, not bullshitting. Nice. Can you be heck something real quick, bro? What? Can you be heck something? What does that mean? I want to get into swing trading. Fair enough. Yo, futures, XRP. Check. Oh, check, yeah. Yep. Just not doing anything. What are we talking? What time frame? I'm screen share right now. Yeah, you can see in on YouTube. I can't do it on TikTok because they'll ban me. Monthly, I mean, we just started the month, so there's not much data to go off. You know, we just got like a spinning top right now. It's literally nothing. And hourly. Nothing's happening. We've been just going from. We've virtually just been sitting in a range since January. So we're at the bottom of that range. We could see. Actually, we've been in this range since fucking December, really. Like long term, if you look at it, it's just a big sideways fucking mess. But if we're looking a little bit shorter term, we are at the bottom of lots of support. So we could be seeing a push back up. The thing with crypto is it doesn't respect anything. Like, it's just so random, bro. Like, it's so hard to trade because it is just so random. It's just so manipulated and so random that it's virtually. I'm getting spam likes. Who's fucking spamming the likes? I love that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Actually, what things do we have to accomplish? I need 15k likes today, which probably won't happen, and I need to go live for 180 minutes today, which probably won't happen either. Yeah, I doubt it. Oh well. Huh? Shit. Monthly, do you screenshot? Why is there always 50 million people coming in about XRP? I don't know. I bought at 371. Bro, should I take loss soon? Australian dollars? I think you told me this before. $2.30. We could get back up there. If that's what you're talking about. Yeah. Was it $2.30? I know the everything's like kind of changed recently and it might have been a little bit different, but where approximately was it? Crypto is always a second away from being rugged. Yep, I know, right? Crypto 100% relies on new money coming in. That's all it is. It's literally all it is. I'd be the one ruggy if I knew how. You know, if these brokers are all so successful at trading, why would they waste their time on the masses? What do you mean? Because they get paid through spreads and commissions. Do I? Yeah. I've told you before, he's almost 5 years experience, okay. I'm not a broker. Do I hold? Yeah, bro, it's 233. Okay, we could probably, I mean, that's not that bad. We could get back up there. We're at the bottom of a pretty big range, so, you know, if retail traders decide they want to buy this level up, which could potentially happen depending on what's gonna go on around the world with Trump and whatever. I don't pay too much attention to crypto and what happens in the crypto space, so I'm not too sure. But from just a technical standpoint, on a normal market, that's where I would expect to see a lot of buys coming in. Day trader, more night trader. I have an insane amount of ads for Binance and Crypto.com, and I don't even trade crypto. Yeah, I'm same. Times must be tough. Retail must be dead in crypto. Yep. TY, bro, I just want some confidence. Cheers, man. All good, but yeah, I'm not your crypto guy. I'm definitely not your crypto guy. I'm gonna take a piss. I want 5K likes by the time I get back. 5K! Oh. 5K, thank you guys. Thank you. Oh, bro just left. I had to piss. Oh, my back. I'm getting old, eh? Pound New Zealand. Where are you? Oh, that should be easy TP. That should be easy. Where are we at now? We are retesting highs. Nah, there's no fucking way we don't get a bigger pullback than that. What is this? Yeah, no, we're chilling. We're chilling. Easy. Thoughts on Apple short? Zero clue. I've only looked at Apple once, and that was like 3 days ago. I don't trade stocks. Sorry, Mia. What are the best investments when it comes to jewelry? I don't know. I sold my jewelry a long time ago. How many monitors do I run? Just 2. Although, if you can see, I don't want to fuck this up too much. I have a monitor there. Fuck, how bad is that? I don't even know where that was. Maybe there. I have a monitor there that I wanna, but the thing is, I bought a fucking monitor mount, but it's not big enough. Like, I want it over the top of here so I can have like all the chat and OBS up here, and then I can have my charts here where I can just do quick analysis, and then my VPS is here. This one's a 32, curve 32, that one's a 27, and that one's a 24. Yeah. 32? Yeah. But I want another one. Oh, I want to put that one up, but the fucking mount that I bought is not big enough. Fuck! It's annoying. Oh, man, my fucking back. Oh, thank you for the likes. Whoever's liking. Start running. What do you mean? Damn, there's no way I get 23 likes by the end of the day, eh? Yeah, there's no way. I do run. I run very frequently. I've got a herniated disc, so it's like I can't really do much about it. Why are you streaming outside? Okay. I'm learning guys, not to react to every comment. Doing well. You should be proud of me. I think I'll just boost. Stream's dead. There's not much happening, eh? 5 people. I'll be back in a couple of hours. It's fucking dead as shit. Are you going to trade? I'm in trades right now. I'm literally in trades right now. There's not like... Yeah. I don't sit there and scalp. I don't sit there and watch the tickers and fucking press buy and sell. I use an expert advisor and it gets me in all my positions for me. I almost never press the buy sell button. The only thing I do is adjust TPs. Unless I'm aggressively trying to get out of a position, and then I will put in a buy or sell. What the fuck, so you're not discretionary, you got a system working. There is a discretionary part to it, yeah. But for my entries, I programmed it to get me in and out when I want it to. I mean, you can change the parameters up, and I do lots of testing and everything to find the best parameters based on previous data. But we're in new times right now, so we will see what happens. But yeah, the majority of it is automated, which is good. I used to manually trade and I fucking hated it. So, and it was based off the same parameters. Now I've programmed something to do it all for me. What do you backtest with? MT4. It was coded in MQL4 language, which is like C++, and can use it on the charts. And trust me, it took me months to get this thing fucking running. I'm going to experiment with... I'm not a coder or anything, man. Yeah, that's right. Neither am I, but I learned enough. MT4. What platform do you use? You can join the Discord and ask me whatever questions you want. Like, it's free. It's only if you, like the guys in the mentorship, they get my bot. Interactive brokers. Yeah, everyone in the mentorship, they get the bot, which people charge thousands for. So they get it for free in there, plus mentorship. The Discord's linked in my bio. So when you click the link in my bio, it'll open up a link tree. Just hit the 3 dots at the top right and then open it in an external browser, and then you'll be able to get in the Discord. It probably won't work if you just go straight through the Discord. It's just Discord doesn't like external links. It's weird. So yeah, there's the free Discord and then the mentorship, which I doubt you're interested in right now, but yeah, just jump in the free one, kind of have a chat, talk some shit in the... Who is this? Should I do it? I got a multi-guest thing. What even is that? Who is this? He's got 10k followers but 2k likes. Should I just send it? I don't know who this guy is, but... Do I send it? I've only ever had one other person. Let's do it.
Hey buddy, how are you?
But quickly, because I gotta go.
Why, bro? I've got a
Help.
couple questions to ask you, bro.
Yeah, what's up?
Do you recommend selling AirPods, like reselling AirPods, or no?
No.
Or just reselling in general?
I mean, the whole reselling AirPods thing is obviously a fucking scam. Like, you buy the cheap ones and sell them for more, and it's not a good idea. In my opinion, if you want to be like a scammy, well, that's what it is, and like, if you want to get cash, like, illegitimate ways, like, I mean, it is something you can do, I suppose, but long term it won't work. Like, long term you'll get fucked over, or someone you'll sell them to the wrong person, and they'll come after you and all that shit. So I don't know. It's not. It's a side hustle, but it's an illegitimate side hustle, and you can get, you can end up in a shit spot. So.
That's true.
Yeah, just be careful. If you're doing it, just be careful.
Yeah. So all of them are fake, obviously. 'Cause
Yeah.
they're cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not real. They're fake. And they're pretty shit too. Like, it's pretty obvious I used to work for Apple, and I've gotten a fake pair, and it's like so obvious to tell.
So what do you reckon is like a side hustle for a 15-year-old?
15? Oh shit.
Yeah, I just want to make some quick cash, you know?
Yeah. Have you thought about getting a job?
I got a job, I just like...
You want to do shit on the side? Yeah. I mean, fuck. You can start your own... If you have time, you can start a services business, and that'll give you cash, but obviously it's a lot more labour than if you were to fucking flip dodgy fucking headphones. Like, all you have to do with that shit is just post them online and wait for someone. But you'll sell them to the wrong person and they will come after you. Like, you just got to be careful about that. Yeah, you could just start a services-based business and just grow it from there. It's hard work, but it's worth it.
Yeah. I was even thinking like rep clothes, like selling reps, like obviously telling them that they're reps, but like...
I mean, yeah. Yeah. That's not the worst idea either. That's little risk. What's the word?
I'll tell the buyer like they're reps.
As long as you're upfront about it, then yeah, like you can. They can be expensive though, the reps, depending on how good they are. Like, if you can find a good supply for that shit, then yeah. The other thing is, I'm pretty sure you can't list them on Facebook. Like, you have issues listing them on Facebook where you have to cross out all the logos and all that shit. I think. I haven't done it, so... Depends where you're selling them to. Like, if you're selling them to people that you know, then, you might be sweet. But... yeah, that's not the worst idea. But I'm pretty sure you can get in trouble for that too. But if it's, behind closed doors, you should be sweet.
Yeah. I should do something like just no honest money.
Yeah, well, yeah, you can, I've been down the other routes too, and it's just, you just end up in shit. So, it's not worth it in the end.
That's right, yes.
But yeah, easy, bro. You have a good one. Take it easy. Message me if you message me if you want anything or fucking want to chat about anything else. Happy to talk.
Too easy, man.
Righto.
Alright.
See you later. That was random. You joined the Discord but didn't get in? What's your name? On Discord. Corbold? Is it Corbold? Corey? Did you try opening it in an external browser? Like, what did it say when it didn't let you in? Fuck, I just twisted my knee. Oh, fuck. Or if you give me, if you tell me your exact Discord name, I can just send it to you. I can do that too. Give me 1 second and then I gotta jump off. How do I... Bro, I'm literally so bad with Discord. Oh, here we go. Oh, wait. No, that's not. Here we go. Right, how do I even do this? How do I fucking add people? I'm so bad with Discord, man. Okay, invite people. Fuck. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I send you a friend request, and then that was quick. And then I will invite you. You got it? Like you got in? I don't think he did get in. Hold on. Oh, okay. Okay, cool, cool. Invite people. There you go. Did that work? Good? We're in. We're in. Nice, nice, nice. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. Alrighty, I got a boost. I gotta get the fuck off. I'll talk to you soon. If you got any questions, throw them in community chat. You make money, put it in profits. If you need to DM me. It's all sweet. Just beware of fake accounts. They fucking... People trying to copy me because I'm so pretty. So, yeah, just beware. I got a boost. I will talk to you guys. I mean, it's pretty much you and like 2 other people, which is just fucked. I don't know what's going on, but yeah. See you later.